One of the biggest things to help a business headset work well is to keep noise and distortion and vibrations from getting into the microphone. The driver is the part of the speaker or headphone that creates sound. Most headphone manufacturers will purchase drivers that were already created very generically. We always customize them. The driver can get very complex when you want it to perform well. We've worked on developing materials that are incredibly light and stiff for this membrane. We also designed a suspension system to hold this membrane so that the diaphragm itself can remain rigid and fixed and create lower distortion sound fronts. This is really revolutionary, putting it into a business headset. And so this driver not only gives everybody a better listening experience, it allows that microphone to really perform to its best capability as well.